everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix file and folder permission errors in WordPress using cPanel's file manager. Now, why would you need to do this? Well, if you've ever seen a 403 forbidden, unable to upload files, or failed to open system errors on your site, it is often caused by incorrect file or folder permissions. These permissions control who can read, write, or execute files on your server. If they're set up too restrictively, your site might stop working properly. But if they're too open, you have a security risk on your hands. The good news is you can easily reset them to correct values right inside File Manager. And that's one of the many benefits of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With File Manager included, you have direct access to your website's files, allowing you to fix issues like this quickly without needing an external FTP client. If you're not already hosting with us, I recommend checking out RackNerd.com. Our plans make managing and securing your site simple, fast, and reliable. Before we get started, let me also mention that in our previous tutorials, I've shown you how to repair broken files, fix htaccess issues, and restore WordPress core files through File Manager. Today's video ties right in with those topics, helping you ensure that your files have the correct permissions for smooth and secure operation. All right, let's move into the steps. First, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down and open File Manager. From there, navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed, usually the public_HTML directory unless your site is in a subfolder. Next, look at the list of files and folders. To fix permission issues, you'll want to make sure folders are set to 755 and files are set to 644. Here's how to check or change them. Right-click on a folder, let's say WP-content, and choose Change Permissions. A small window will appear showing checkboxes or a number code. Make sure it's set to 755. This allows your site to read and execute the folder contents while keeping things secure. Do the same for the other main folders like WP-admin, WP-includes. For files like wp-config.php or index.php, right-click and select Change Permissions again. This time, set the permissions to 644. This ensures that files are readable by the server but can't be modified by unauthorized users. If you have multiple files or folders to fix, you can select several at once and change their permissions in bulk. Once done, refresh your site in the browser. In most cases, permission-related errors like missing pages or failed uploads will be resolved immediately. And that's it. You have successfully fixed file and folder permission errors in WordPress using cPanel's File Manager. Setting the right permissions is crucial for both security and functionality, and with File Manager, it only takes a few clicks to do. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you full control over your website. With easy access to your files, you can troubleshoot, secure, and repair your WordPress installation anytime. So if you're still looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.